Today's today's topic is polymorphism. Since polymorphism, since method innovation is determined by the JVM, not compiled, it is known as return time polymorphism. Polymorphism is Java. Polymorphism in Java is a except by which we can polymorphism a single action in different way. Polymorphism is derived from two Greek words poly and polymorph. The word poly means many and morphs means from. So polymorph is means many forms. Why polymorphism? So polymorphism allow as a create consistent code. In the previous example, we can also create different methods. Render square under square and ran circular to render square and circle respectively from the verb perfectly. However, from every phase we need to create different method. It we make our code in to solve this polymorphism in Java allow. Also, we create a single method rather the will behave different shapes. There are two types of polymorphism in Java: compiler time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. This is the two types. This is mostly important. We can perform polymorphism in Java by method overloading and method overriding. If you overload a static method in Java, it is the example of compile time polymorphism. Here we will focus on runtime polymorphism in Java. Runtime polymorphism in Java. Runtime polymorphism of a dynamic method. Dispatch is a process in which a can to an overriding method is resolved at runtime rather than compiler time. In this process, an overridden method is called the reference variable of a superclass. The determination of the method to be called is based on the basic let's first understand we upcasting before runtime polymorphism. Upcasting in the reference variable of parent class refer to the object of child class is known as upcasting. For example of Java runtime polymorphism. In this example, we are creating two classes, bike and splendor. Splendor class extend bike class and override the run method. We are calling the run method by the reference variable of parent class. Since It refers to the subclass, object and subclass. Method. Override the parent class method. The subclass method is invoked the runtime. Java runtime polymorphism. Example: bank consists as a scenario where bank is a class that provides a method to get the rate of interest. However, the rate of interest may differ different to bank. Of example, SBI, ICICI, Axis